Anong tawag dito sa nasa kanan?
Barbecue. Banh mi barbecue po.
Banh mi barbecue. Itong nasa kaliwa?
Banh mi ham.
Banh mi ham. Okay. Misa, ano itong mga nasa kwan? Bote, binibenta to?
You can see here. You can see.
Are you selling this one?
Yeah.
How much?
Now we don't have the price there.
Oh, I don't have the price of it. I will post this in my YouTube video. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. You don't have the price for this?
This one, the herb from Korea.
This one from Korea. What's this?
The herb.
What's for? Good health?
The wine. Yeah, good for health.
Vitality?
Yeah.
And this one? You know, my niece is in Vietnam teaching in British American school. I've been there once and I like it because even if there are a lot of bakers there, it's not.
We have something here inside.
Yeah.
Inside, yeah.
What's that for? Vitality? Long life? Or?
No, it's not some like I cannot call this like some snack.
Snake? Oh, there's snake in. You included in is snake there.
You can do like this. You can see all here. The honey.
What do you call this one? Wine? This is a wine.
Yeah.
So in this one you put snake and some
herbal.
Oh, there's the leg of a
Yeah.
what's this? Salamander. Oh, nice. If you drink that, you will become strong and healthy. You know, I'm a YouTuber and I'm going to post this. We like the bump it here. Yeah. I've been to what's this? Yeah, that's the driver. No, the driver.